Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. I hope you all are good today. I'm going to read an amazing story today, The Happiest Man. In a small village, Raja was known as the happiest man. Curious about his secret, a villager asked him one day. Raja replied, "Come with me and I will show you." He took the villager to his simple home where he showed his daily routine, gardening, helping neighbors, and spending time with family. Despite having little wealth, Raja found joy in the simple things. Raja explained, "I focus on what I have, not what I lack. True happiness comes from within through gratitude and helping others." The villager learned that happiness lies in appreciating the little things and being grateful. The moral that this story teaches us is true happiness comes from within through gratitude and helping others. Thanks for being there and watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. And please come back to watch my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.